Hello, welcome to CrochetSmash. I made a few granny squares, just like these ones, but in this color before. Then I had this idea: what if I join the granny squares to make a tube, then do some double crochet around it to make a messy bun hat. I was trying, then made this bottom up, and yeah, it really worked. It started because of the curiosity and it worked beautifully. Let us make one together. Now I have 5 granny squares. So this one I joined 5 together to go around my forehead. So maybe this also will do the 5. I will show you how to join. This is the right side, because you can see this these chains here, and this is the wrong side. So I'm making 2 granny squares with the facing right sides together. Now I am going to attach my yarn. I have threaded my needle is threaded with the yarn, and I'm going to just go through the corresponding stitches. Just leave a little longer tail. I'll tell you why. Now put it on top just like that, then go to the next one and the corresponding next one in the other square as well. Just stitch it. Now you come up from the bottom and just make the yarn tail in the bottom as well. So just like this, then this yarn tail is below the needle. You go like that. Now this one is getting zigzagged between the stitches. Now this out and just like, now make this go down. Just like that, you can join up to here. You got the idea. I'm going through the outer stitches only. You can go through both if you want. If you go through the outer stitches only, you will get this ridge here. I like that one. So you can go all the way up to here. Then you cut off the yarn. When your yarn tail is almost finished, you do 1 or 2 more stitches to make the yarn tail in the wrong side. If you search Google how to join the granny squares, you will find different methods. This is how I joined. The corner stitches are 2 stitches here. I'm going to make one of the stitches and leave the other one unworked. You can go a little more to the back. It is here, so you can do it like a little more going up and down in a zigzag way. So it will really secure. And tie a knot just like that. And I just bring my needle through the stitches, so it will get very secure. Now cut off the yarn. 2 squares are joined. Now this is the right side, so take the next one and put it like that and join. And check it around your forehead to see if it fits your head. I'm going to join 5 of them and we will meet again. Now I made the joining. Now we have a tube. Now I am going to turn the right side out. Now we can do 1 round of double crochet by joining the yarn over here. Do 1 stitch in almost every stitch. So I'm going to attach my yarn. Going to do a standing double crochet. Going to start over here. So yarn over hook, insert the hook in the stitch. Okay, then it's just doing double crochet in each of the stitches. As simple as that. We'll do 1 round in red, then we will meet again. Now I just finished the first round and joining with the slip stitch. Then I'm going to cut the yarn by leaving a little longer yarn tail, then finish it off. Now I'm going to attach my next color, which is white. Then we will do in stripes, like maybe I will do with the green, then white. Then we will meet again after 2 rows. I went ahead and made the green, white and another red over on double crochet stitches here. So the stripes are done. Now I'm going to attach my white yarn for the crown. Here we are going to do a stitch reduction So I'm going to chain 3, then in the there is another then double crochet in the next stitch. Then in the next stitch I'm going to decrease half of the double crochet. Then in the next stitch also make half of the double crochet, then yarn over and go through all the 3 loops on the hook. We did a reduction. So next is 2 double crochet, then in the next one we are going to reduce even if the pattern doesn't consistently do this. If there is an adjustment in the end, you can just leave it like that. To reduce, we do yarn over hook, insert the hook in the stitch, yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over, go through the 2 loops on the hook, then again yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over and bring the yarn through the first 2 loops, then yarn over, go through all the 3 loops together. Becomes only 1 stitch on the top. Continue this method as long as you to reduce. So maybe around 2 or 3 rows, reducing the number of stitches, then you will be fine to put it on top of your head, using it as a messy bun hat. We are not closing it on. So after 2 rows we meet again. Now that round is done, and the next round I'm going to make a chain 2, then in the next double crochet and the next stitch we are going to decrease. So we are decreasing every other stitch. Now we are decreasing every other stitch. Finish this round and we will meet again. Now that round is done and we are going to slip stitch the top of the initial chain. Now to close this one, we can leave just like this, or we can do a row of single crochet, like a surface single crochet. Like you go around the post of that stitch, bring up a loop, yarn over, bring through 2 loops on the hook. Again in the next one, insert the hook from front to the back to the front around the post of that double crochet, then bring up like that to give that edge like this. When the 2 stitches comes to 1, the reduction one, just go through like that. So I'll finish that one and we will meet again. To end that one, we will make the loop a little bit bigger, then cut the yarn. Go through the next stitch and bring your hook from inside to out, then grab that big loop, bring it in, bring your yarn tail through one of the stitches and bring the yarn tail again through that loop, then pull it tight. Gives that a finished that surprise single crochet on the top of that one. I can cut the yarn closer here, or you can weave it between the stitches a little bit before cutting. That will secure the yarn better. Now all is left is the weaving the yarn tails left inside, and you are done. Hope you like this messy bun hat. If you like this project, please subscribe to my channel. Leave in the comments what you like about this one or what you don't like about this one. I will try to make it up to you. If you have a certain kind of project in your mind but don't know how to do it, share it with me in the comments. I will try to make it happen. See you next time with the next pattern. Till then, bye bye.